Alright, guys, good evening everyone and welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations with the Sus Coffee Thunderbells for winning over the Cherry League of Crossovers in 4 sets. We have Coach Jerry, Michelle Gamet, and Glo Mondonieto. Coach Jerry, congratulations for your team sport win in 8 matches. So, are you satisfied so far with your performance this conference, or are you looking for something more with the Thunderbells?
We are never satisfied. Always working to move forward. Ganun lang.
Thank you, Coach. To Glo, you had 17 excellent sets. So based sa as of last Tuesday, you're number 4 in the best setters in the best setters. So what can you say na yung performance mo naging kaanay mo na yung mga like sina Kai, ni Victor, sina Louis Romero, si so what can you say?
For me po, ginagawa ko lang yung trabaho ko eh. Nakikinig lang ako sa coaches. And then, ayun naman eh. Ang mahalaga naman yung win eh. Yung nakakontribute mo sa team. So, ayun po.
Thank you. Mitch, so what can you say about your performance so far this contest? Ano yung mga sabi mo?
Ginagawa lang po yung mga tinuturo sa training and lumalabas naman po siya sa games namin and nakikita naman po yung result and hindi pa rin po kami tumitigil sa trabaho po namin.
Okay, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Sa players, yun nga, galing sa mga winless campaigns dati. Kaya anong pakiramdam na nakakuha na kayo ng panalo against contender teams like Cherry, ganyan?
Siyempre happy, pero yun nga, hindi naman dun sa isang win natatapos yung work namin. So, ayun, move forward lang and then, ayun, trabaho lang.
Same.
Happy po kami na nagbubunga yung mga training namin araw-araw and may mga resulta yung mga games namin and hindi nasasayang yung pagod. Kahit may mga losses kami and mas okay yung performance namin compared sa mga past conference.
Coach, speaking of contenders, yung last 3 games yung Bowlby, Petrogas, Signal, and PLDT, lahat po yung title contenders din. So ano po kung sa tingin niyo yung medyo kinakapos pa yung team over the past few games na kailangan niyo pong siguro masapul talaga ahead of those 3 games?
Yan, pagka pagod na kasi, mahirap yung consistent ka pa rin, tama pa rin yung decision making mo, tama pa rin yung kinikilos mo. So, kaya tayo nag-workout, kaya tayo nag-ensayo, kaya tayo nagre-repetitions. Kasi ayan na nga, pagka 4th, 5th set, pumapangit yung decision making, o mababa yung kondisyon, or whatever, we have to work on those, always.
Coach, yung last 3 games, may pinaproject ba kayong position? Kasi alam naman natin, dun sa next round, yung matatalo dun, babagsak dun sa play-in na medyo mas baka mahirapan pa.
Sa ngayon kami, kumbaga, kung ano lang yung maipapanalo namin, go lang kami ng go. So wala na muna ng mga projections. Ang dami pa naming win-work on sa sarili namin. So it's about kung sino yung nasa harap namin and then kung paano kami nag-execute and then kung paano namin kumbaga mag-respond sa ganung situation. Ganun pa lang kami. So, kung panalo, go. Kung talo, matuto. Ganun lang.
Sa both players, gaano kalaking kumbaga moral boost para sa inyo heading dun sa last 3 games na alam naman natin medyo yung mga contender teams. Glo, ano muna Glo?
Ay, okay na. So, ayun nga, well, kami kasi inisip namin talaga more on work lang eh. So, kung manalo man kami today, basta as long as may natututunan kami. Pero ngayon, sa game na to, I'm super proud and happy sa kinalabasan ng game at kasi it's a team effort. So, ayun.
Yun nga, yung sinasabi nila coach na 1 game at a time lang kami. Hindi namin muna pinaproblema yung mga susunod, mga future. Basta kung ano yung game namin, yun muna kami nakafocus. And yun muna yung pinu-work on namin.
Coach, your next game is Petrogas. So Petrogas, one of the best teams so far in the league. So what can you say about the Angels, performers?
Wala. Same as Creamline, same as Chocomucho, same as Cherry. Tatrabaho lang kami. Yung results, good kung manalo. And kumbaga, we just work and move forward. Ganun lang.
And how about the players playing against one of the best teams in the league right now? Look, about Petrogas.
Excited po. Excited, yun na lang muna.
Maglalaro lang po kami ulit and magtatrabaho. Wala po kami ibang
Congratulations, Coach Jerry, Flo, and Mitch. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.